Camping enthusiasts and nature lovers have always been on the lookout for the next big thing when it comes to camping and adventure. Hybrid RVs, also known as expandable travel trailers, are the latest trend in the camping world, offering a new level of comfort and convenience. They offer the best of both worlds, a traditional travel trailer and a pop-up camper. These innovative RVs allow you to enjoy the beauty of nature without sacrificing comfort and luxury. With their unique design, hybrid RVs are perfect for those who love camping but don't want to compromise on comfort. We'll explore the world of hybrid RVs and how they can take your camping experience to the next level. From their features and benefits to tips on how to choose the perfect hybrid RV for your needs, read on to discover how you can roam with comfort on your next camping adventure. 1. Introduction to hybrid RVs. Hybrid RVs, also known as expandable RVs, are a relatively new type of recreational vehicle that combines the comfort of a traditional RV with the convenience and maneuverability of a smaller trailer. These innovative RVs feature a unique design that allows them to expand or pop out to create additional living space when parked, and then collapse back down for easy towing on the road. Hybrid RVs are perfect for those who love the idea of camping and exploring the great outdoors, but still want the comfort and amenities of a traditional RV. They are also a great option for those who are new to RVing and may not want to invest in a larger, more expensive RV right away. One of the biggest advantages of hybrid RVs is their versatility. They can be used for a wide range of activities, from weekend camping trips to extended road trips, and are suitable for families, couples, and solo travelers alike. They are also ideal for those who want to explore off-the-beaten-path destinations, as they are more maneuverable than larger RVs and can access campsites and other areas that may be inaccessible to larger vehicles. Overall, hybrid RVs offer a unique combination of comfort, convenience, and adventure, making them a popular choice among RV enthusiasts and outdoor adventurers alike. 2. What is a hybrid RV? A hybrid RV is a type of recreational vehicle that combines elements of traditional travel trailers and pop-up campers. These vehicles are characterized by their unique design, which typically features a hard-sided body with a pop-up section that can be extended to provide additional living space. The pop-up section of a hybrid RV typically includes a tent-like material that is supported by a collapsible frame. This allows for a lighter overall weight and a more streamlined design when the vehicle is being towed. When parked at a campsite, the pop-up section can be extended to provide additional sleeping areas, dining space, or other living space as needed. Hybrid RVs also often feature amenities that are common in traditional travel trailers, such as kitchens, bathrooms, and entertainment systems. These features make hybrid RVs a popular choice for camping enthusiasts who want to enjoy the comforts of home while still experiencing the great outdoors. Overall, hybrid RVs offer a unique combination of mobility and comfort that make them a popular choice for those who want to take their camping adventures to the next level. 3. Hybrid RV features for comfortable camping. Hybrid RVs are a perfect fit for campers looking for a comfortable camping experience. These types of RVs offer a unique combination of both hard-sided and pop-up features that make them very comfortable to use. One of the key features that make hybrid RVs great for camping is their expandable and retractable sleeping areas. These areas can be easily folded up when not in use, which makes them very easy to tow and park. They can also be extended to provide additional sleeping space, which is perfect for larger families or groups. Another great feature of hybrid RVs is their ample storage space. These RVs come equipped with large cabinets, closets, and drawers that provide ample space for storing camping gear and personal items. This means that you don't have to worry about leaving anything behind due to lack of space. Hybrid RVs also come equipped with a range of amenities that make them very comfortable to use. These amenities include air conditioning, heating, hot water, and kitchen facilities. Many models also come with entertainment options like TVs, DVD players, and sound systems. Additionally, hybrid RVs are typically well insulated and weatherproofed, making them suitable for use in a variety of environments. This means that you can enjoy camping in comfort no matter what the weather is like outside. Hybrid RVs offer a great combination of both comfort and convenience. They are perfect for campers who want to enjoy the great outdoors without sacrificing the comforts of home. 4. Versatility of hybrid RVs. One of the biggest advantages of hybrid RVs is their versatility. These vehicles are designed to adapt to any kind of camping adventure, whether you're heading out for a weekend trip or embarking on an extended journey across the country. The hybrid RV combines the best of both worlds, the convenience and comfort of a traditional RV with the flexibility and mobility of a tent. With a hybrid RV, you can enjoy the convenience of a fully equipped kitchen, bathroom, and sleeping quarters, while still being able to enjoy the great outdoors. What's more, hybrid RVs are perfect for families or groups of friends who want to travel together. Most models come with multiple sleeping areas, so everyone can have their own space and privacy. This is especially useful when traveling with kids, who often need their own space to play and relax. Another great feature of hybrid RVs is their ability to be towed by a wide variety of vehicles. Unlike traditional RVs, which often require a large, heavy-duty truck to tow them, hybrid RVs are lightweight and easy to tow. This means you can use a smaller vehicle, such as an SUV or minivan, to take your RV on the road. The versatility of hybrid RVs makes them an excellent choice for anyone who loves to camp and travel. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or an epic cross-country adventure, a hybrid RV can provide the comfort, convenience, and flexibility you need to make your trip a success. 5. Hybrid RVs for different types of camping trips. Hybrid RVs are a great option for those who want to experience different types of camping trips. These RVs are versatile and can adapt to any situation, making them perfect for families, couples, and solo travelers alike. For those who love to go off-road, a hybrid RV with a high clearance and all-terrain tires is a great option. These RVs are perfect for exploring national parks, dirt roads, and other outdoor adventures. They can handle rough terrain with ease, and their hybrid design means they can provide all the comforts of home, even in remote locations. For those who prefer camping at a campsite, a hybrid RV with a built-in generator is ideal. These RVs can provide electricity even in the middle of nowhere, so you can enjoy all the amenities of a full-size RV. They also have plenty of space for sleeping, cooking, and relaxing, making them perfect for family getaways. Hybrid RVs are also perfect for those who want to travel long distances without sacrificing comfort. They have all the amenities of a full-size RV, but their hybrid design means they are more fuel efficient. This makes them perfect for road trips, where you can explore different destinations without worrying about gas prices. Hybrid RVs offer a great combination of comfort and adventure. They are perfect for those who want to experience the great outdoors without sacrificing the comforts of home. Whether you prefer off-road adventures or camping at a campsite, there is a hybrid RV that is perfect for your next trip. 6. Challenges of owning a hybrid RV. While owning a hybrid RV can be a great way to experience the great outdoors with all the comforts of home, there are also some challenges that come with it. One of the biggest challenges is finding a place to park and set up camp. Unlike traditional RVs, hybrid RVs require a bit more space to set up properly. You need to find a spot that is large enough to accommodate both the RV and the tent portion of the camper, and that can often be a challenge in crowded campgrounds or RV parks. Additionally, the tent portion of the hybrid RV can be a bit more difficult to set up and take down than a traditional RV. This can be especially challenging if you are camping in inclement weather or if you are traveling solo. It's important to make sure you have a good understanding of how to set up and take down your hybrid RV before you hit the road. Another challenge of owning a hybrid RV is that they may not be as well suited to extreme weather conditions. While traditional RVs are built to withstand harsh temperatures and weather conditions, the tent portion of a hybrid RV may not hold up as well in extremely hot or cold weather. Despite these challenges, many people find that owning a hybrid RV is well worth the effort. With the ability to seamlessly transition between camping and RVing, a hybrid RV offers the best of both worlds and is a great way to experience the great outdoors in comfort and style. 7. Maintenance and storage of hybrid RVs. One of the most important aspects of owning a hybrid RV is maintenance, as it is crucial for the longevity of your vehicle. Proper maintenance can go a long way in ensuring that your hybrid RV remains in good condition, and can prevent expensive repairs in the future. This is why it's important to read the owner's manual carefully and to follow the maintenance schedule provided by the manufacturer. Some of the key maintenance tasks that you need to perform regularly include checking and changing the oil, checking the tire pressure, and inspecting the battery. You should also check the brakes, transmission, and other essential parts of your hybrid RV periodically to ensure they are in good working condition. When it comes to storage, it's important to store your hybrid RV properly to prevent damage from the elements. You can choose to store your hybrid RV in a covered storage facility, or you can purchase a cover to protect it from the elements. Make sure to clean interior and exterior of your hybrid RV thoroughly before storing it, and remove any perishable items to prevent attracting rodents or other pests. Proper maintenance and storage of your hybrid RV can go a long way in ensuring that you can enjoy many years of comfortable and hassle-free camping adventures. So make sure to take good care of your hybrid RV, and it will take care of you. 8. How to choose the right hybrid RV for you. Choosing the right hybrid RV can be a daunting task, but it's important to take the time to do your research and consider your needs and budget. Here are a few key factors to consider. 1. Size. Hybrid RVs come in a range of sizes, from small pop-up trailers to large fifth wheels. Think about how many people you'll be traveling with and how much space you'll need for sleeping, cooking, and storage. 2. Weight. Make sure the RV you choose is compatible with your vehicle's towing capacity. Hybrid RVs are generally lighter than traditional RVs, but it's still important to check the weight and make sure your vehicle can handle it. 3. Features. Consider the features you want in an RV, such as a kitchen with a full-size fridge and stove, a large awning for outdoor living, or a built-in entertainment system. Ultimately, the right hybrid RV for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. Take the time to research and compare different models, and don't be afraid to test drive a few before making a final decision. With the right hybrid RV, you'll be able to roam with comfort and enjoy the next level of camping adventure. 4. Why hybrid RVs are the next level of camping adventure. Hybrid RVs are the next level of camping adventure. They offer a unique combination of comfort, versatility, and sustainability that traditional RVs or tents cannot match. With their advanced technology, hybrid RVs allow you to roam with comfort and enjoy all the luxuries of home while being out in nature. Their flexibility allows you to camp in remote locations without the need for a power hookup, which can be a game changer for those who love to explore off the beaten path. You can also choose to use the power of the sun to recharge your batteries, making it an eco-friendly option. Hybrid RVs are perfect for families who want to experience the great outdoors without sacrificing comfort or convenience. With spacious interiors and plenty of amenities, you can create memories that will last a lifetime. We hope you enjoyed learning about hybrid RVs and how they can take your camping experience to the next level. Hybrid RVs are versatile and offer the best of both worlds, the comfort of an RV and the adventure of tent camping. Whether you're a seasoned camper or new to the camping scene, we hope that this blog has given you some insight into the benefits of hybrid RVs and inspired you to take your camping experience to the next level. Happy camping!